swept off your feet, understanding this romantic English phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and romantic expression used in the English language, swept off one's feet. It's a phrase that's not only common in everyday conversation but also appears frequently in movies, books, and songs. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand what it means and how to use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. To be swept off one's feet is a metaphorical expression that describes a feeling of being utterly enamored or falling deeply in love with someone, often suddenly or unexpectedly. Imagine the sensation of your feet no longer touching the ground because the emotions are so overwhelming and powerful. It's as if a wave of love and affection has literally knocked you off your feet. This phrase can also convey being impressed or overwhelmed by someone's charm, actions, or words to a great extent. While the exact origin of swept off one's feet is difficult to pinpoint, it is deeply rooted in the romantic literature and poetry of the past. The imagery it conjures, of being carried away by a powerful emotion or force, resonates with descriptions of love and admiration found in many classic literary works. This phrase captures the essence of being overpowered by one's feelings in a vivid and relatable way. To better understand how to use swept off one's feet, let's look at some examples. In a romantic context, when she saw him across the room, she was instantly swept off her feet. In everyday conversation, I was completely swept off my feet by his kindness and generosity. In literature or movies, the protagonist is swept off her feet by the charming stranger, setting the stage for a whirlwind romance. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, highlighting its use in various contexts to describe powerful emotions and reactions. When using swept off one's feet, it's important to remember that it's typically associated with positive emotions and scenarios. It's a phrase that adds a touch of dramatic flair to your storytelling or conversation, making it perfect for discussing moments that are emotionally impactful or memorable. And there you have it, the meaning and usage of swept off one's feet. We hope this video has helped you understand this lovely phrase and inspired you to use it when talking about those special moments of overwhelming emotion. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying feelings and experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.